Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing good. So now let us start our social science class. Okay children? So all of you take your social studies book. All of you take your social studies book. Have you taken children? Have you taken? So now today we will learn about a new lesson. 7th lesson, domains and landforms of the earth. So all of you take page number 41. All of you take book page number 41. Take children. Take soon. Have you taken? Okay. So now today we will learn about a new lesson. 7th lesson, domains and landforms of the earth. Domains and landforms of the earth. So in this lesson, first of all, we have to learn the major domains of the earth. Okay children, so all of you listen carefully. Okay, so the earth surface consists of elements. Our earth surface consists of elements such as land, water and air. Land, water and air. So these are give us domains of the earth. So these all the things give us domains of the earth. Okay, so in our earth there are 4 domains of the earth. There are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay, so there are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Okay, so now we will learn about in detail. Okay, so we will learn about each of them in detail. Okay children. So in this lesson, first of all, we have to know about the ozone layer. Okay, so do you know children what is the meaning of ozone layer? Ozone layer means ozone padalam. Okay, so did you hear this word ozone layer? Yes, ozone layer is the layer. Ozone layer is the layer of ozone gases. So it is protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. So ozone layer நம்மளுடைய earth planet sunல இருந்து வரக்கூடிய harmful substance ultraviolet radiation அதுல இருந்து நம்மளுடைய earth planet protect பண்ணுது. Okay, so ozone layer is very important for our earth planet because it is protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Okay, so nowadays when you go out during the summer season, your mother put on the sunscreen lotion before stepping out. Yes children, did you notice that? When you go out during the summer season, your mother put on the sunscreen lotion, yes, in your body. Yes, why that? Why they are doing like that? So it is the reason. Okay, the ultraviolet radiation, it is come from the sun. It is come from the sun. So it is very harmful substance. It is very தீங்கானது. நம்ம உடம்புக்கு அது தீங்கானது. சன்னில இருந்து டைரக்டா வரக்கூடிய ultraviolet radiation அது வந்து நம்மளோட உடம்புக்கு தீங்கானது. So it is very harmful substance. Okay, so our ozone layer only protects us from that kind of danger. Okay, so ozone layer is gases made of 3 oxygen atoms. This layer is just about 3 to 5 millimeter thick, and this tiny spread out gases has been protecting our life, our earth surface, from the ultraviolet radiation. Okay, so nowadays the ozone layer defecting is one of the most serious problems. Our earth planet facing the one of the most serious problem. Our ozone layer has hole. Yes, do you know? So that only our earth planet nowadays facing global warming. அதனால தான் நம்மளுடைய earth என்ன செய்யுது? Global warming means புவி வெப்பமடைதல். அதனால ஓசோன் லேயர்ல இப்போ ஹோல் வந்துச்சு. அதனால நம்மளுடைய எர்த் பிளானட் உடனடியாக என்ன ஆயிடுது, சூடாயிருது. ஓகே, சன்ல இருந்து வரக்கூடிய அந்த அல்ட்ரா வயலட் ரேடியேஷன் மூலமா நம்மளுடைய எர்த் பிளானட் gets global warming. Okay, so the ozone layer protects us from the humble substantial ultraviolet radiation of the sun. Okay, so have you understood, children? Have you understood? There are 4 domains of the earth. They are atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. So first of all we have to study about the atmosphere. So atmosphere means காற்று மண்டலம். Atmosphere means காற்று மண்டலம். So atmosphere is a mixture of gases. Atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surround our earth. So without air we cannot live. Yes, without air we cannot breathe. Yes, so very important, atmosphere. So the atmosphere is more than just layers of gases surround the planet. So atmosphere is also a moving sources of life for every creature of the earth planet, like human, plants, animals. Yes, so like that every creature of the earth planet we want atmosphere. So earth is surrounded by invisible gases. Our earth is surrounded by invisible gases. We cannot see. Yes, we cannot see air, but we can feel. Yes, நம்மளால air என்ன செய்ய முடியாது, பார்க்க முடியாது. ஆனா நம்மளால என்ன செய்ய முடியும், feel பண்ண முடியும், அதுதான் உணர முடியும். Yes, so the earth is surrounded by invisible gases. So that from a tiny protective blanket, so that we call the atmosphere. So the atmosphere contains oxygen that we breathe as well as other important gases also, such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide and water vapor. Okay, so this layer of gases is called atmosphere. So atmosphere extends about 1000 km above the surface of the earth. So atmosphere is held close to the earth because of the earth's gravity. Okay, when you throw the ball up, suddenly it will come down. Yes, நம்ம ஒரு பால் அதுக்கு மேலே ஏறிறோம் அப்படின்னா அது உடனே என்ன செஞ்சிரும், திரும்பி கீழே வந்துரும் தானே. So because earth gravity. So other planets there is no gravity. Our earth only has gravity also. நம்ம ஒரு பாலையோ ஒரு திங்ஸையோ மேலே இறக்கி போடுறோம் அப்படின்னா உடனே கீழே வரும் அப்படிதானே. What is the reason that? That is earth's gravity. புவி ஈர்ப்பு விசை, புவியோட ஈர்ப்பு விசை, gravity மூலமா அது என்ன செய்யுது, பாலோ திங்ஸோ கீழே வருது. Okay, so our earth planet has gravity also. The atmosphere is held close to the earth because of the earth gravity. Okay, then functions of atmosphere. Functions of atmosphere. The atmosphere protects living organisms from the humble ultra radiation of the sun. Sunல இருந்து வரக்கூடிய ultraviolet radiation ல இருந்து நம்மளோட atmosphere only protects that dangers. Yes, that kind of dangers our atmosphere only protects us. And also the atmosphere helps to maintain the temperature level. அவர் நம்மளுடைய எர்த்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய temperature level maintain பண்றதும் atmosphere. Okay, and our atmosphere is the source of important gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Yes, so these all the sources is there in our atmosphere. Okay, and then atmosphere helps to retain the evaporated water. Evaporated means ஆவியாகுதல். Okay, evaporated water and condenses into form of clouds. Okay, can you understand, children? So our earth planet, that is atmosphere, that is very important because we breathe oxygen. Yes, the oxygen we get from atmosphere. So atmosphere is very important for us in our earth planet. Okay, can you understand, children? Can you understand atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by layers of gases are called atmosphere. So atmosphere provides us the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiation effects of sun's rays. So atmosphere is very useful for us because the atmosphere only provides us air we breathe, yes, and also the atmosphere protects us from the harmful ultraviolet radiations effects of sun rays. Okay, so the atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. So the atmosphere is very useful for us. So the atmosphere is help us to retain the evaporated water and condenses it to form of clouds. Water ஆவியாக்கி clouds மூலமா நமக்கு திரும்பி மழையா தருது. Okay, so atmosphere is very useful for us. It is very important thing. Okay, so the atmosphere is helps to maintain the temperature level also, the earth temperature level also. Okay, then turn the page 42. Turn the page 42. Structure of the earth. The earth structure consists of three parts. The earth structure consists of three parts. They are crust, mantle and core. Okay, crust, mantle and core. Okay, so the hard outer layer of the earth, that is crust. Hard outer layer of the earth, that is crust, which we on live. Okay, we are living on the crust part. நம்ம எல்லாரும் எந்த பார்ட்ல இருக்கிறோம்? Crust part. Okay, the crust part is the hard outer layer of the earth. Okay, so the crust is thin layer. Crust is thin layer of solid rocky layer. Okay, so we are living on the crust part. Okay, crust outer layer, crust. Okay, then center there is core. Our earth center part there is core. So the core is hottest part of the earth. So the core part is hottest part of the earth. So the core is solid and made up of iron and nickel. Made up of iron and nickel. So the portion of the earth between core and crust, there is mantle. Okay, between the places, the core and crust, in between there is mantle. Okay, so the mantle is made up of semi-molten rock. The mantle is made up of semi-molten rock are called magma. Okay, so this molten rock seeps through cracks into the crust and pours out to volcanoes in the form of lava. So when lava cools down, so it turns to rocks and stones. So when lava cools down, so it turns to rocks and stones. The earth's core is mostly made up of iron. The earth core is made up of iron. So the core is divided into two parts. The core is divided into two parts, that is inner core and outer core. Inner core and outer core. The inner core is solid. The inner core is solid and the outer core is liquid state. And the outer core is liquid state. Okay. So can you understand, children? So when we dig the land, first of all comes solid, yes, solid rocks, and then when we dig deep, there is liquid state. Yes, so like that the structure of the earth is there. Okay, can you understand, children? Can you understand structure of the earth? So the structure of the earth consists of three parts. They are crust, mantle and core. Okay, can you understand clearly? Okay. Then our next major domains of the earth, lithosphere. So lithosphere means karkolam. Lithosphere means karkolam. Okay, in Greek language, lithos means stones. Lithos means stone. So therefore, lithosphere is solid portion of the earth. Lithosphere is the solid portion of the earth. So the lithosphere is the outer part of the earth. Lithosphere is the outer part of the earth. So it is the thinnest layer of the earth, and it is made up of soil and solid rock. So the lithosphere is made up of soil and solid rocks. So it is also called the crust. Okay, so the crust part, the earth structure, already we have learnt crust part, yes, the outer part, crust, yes. So the crust part is lithosphere. Okay, so the crust part only lithosphere. So there are two main layers which lies below these layers. They are mantle and core. Mantle and core. So the core is made up of two layers. They are outer core and inner core. So the lithosphere provides soil. So the lithosphere provides soil, is very important for growth of plants. Yes. So very important for growth plants, soil. Yes. So the soil provides by lithosphere. Okay. So the lithosphere provide soil for growth, planets and other agricultural activities. So it is provides food for the human being. Okay. And then lithosphere provides nutrient. Nutrient means ஊட்டச்சத்து, மண்ணுக்குலாம் சத்து கொடுக்கிறது. Okay, so the lithosphere provides nutrients for land organism. Okay, so it is medium of fiction of planets and home of microorganism. Okay, so the lithosphere is the top layer of earth planet. Okay, it is the crust part of the earth. So the lithosphere is soil, solid rocks, uppermost layer of the earth crust. Okay, it is for supporting for our life. Okay children, can you understand clearly? Can you understand children? Okay. So now today we have learnt the major domains of the earth, atmosphere and lithosphere and structure of the earth. Yes, so these all we have learnt today. Yes, have you understood children? Have you understood? Okay, I hope you have understood. Then the remaining topics we have to learn our next video. Okay. So today topics you have to read the book. Okay children. Then the remaining topics we will see our next video. Okay. So now all of you take your classwork notes and write the classwork. All of you take your social classwork children. Take fast. Have you taken? Okay, write in a new page. All of you take new page. First of all, write the date and day. First of all, write today date and day. And write lesson name. 7th lesson, domains and landforms of the earth. Write neatly. Handwriting should be neat children. 7th lesson, domains and landforms of the earth. Have you written? Okay, then leave one line and write meanings. Meanings. First one, atmosphere. 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 காற்று மண்டலம். Atmosphere. காற்று மண்டலம். ATMOSPHERE. Atmosphere. காற்று மண்டலம். Finished? Then leave one line and write second one, lithosphere. 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 கற்கோளம். கற்கோளம். Finished? Then leave one line and write third one, biosphere. 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 உயிர்கோளம். Biosphere. உயிர்கோளம். Leave one line and write fourth one, hydrosphere. நீர்கோளம். HYDROSPHERE. Hydrosphere. நீர்கோளம். Then leave one line and write fifth one, magma. 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 அடர்குழம்பு. அடர்குழம்பு. Then leave one line and write sixth one, crust. மேல் ஓடு. Crust. crust, crust. மேல் ஓடு. Then leave one line and write seventh one, core. மைய பாகம். core. மைய பாகம். Then leave one line and write eighth one, gravity. gravity, புவியீர்ப்பு. gravity, புவியீர்ப்பு. Have you written, children? So first one, atmosphere, காற்று மண்டலம். Then second one, lithosphere, கற்கோளம். Third one, biosphere, உயிர்கோளம். Fourth one, hydrosphere, நீர்கோளம். Fifth one, magma, அடர்குழம்பு. Sixth one, crust, மேல் ஓடு. Seventh one, core, மைய பாகம். Eighth one, gravity, புவியீர்ப்பு. Okay. Have you written, children? Okay. Then leave one line. Missing letters. Missing letters. Leave one line and write missing letters. First one, atmosphere. 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 Then next one, leave one line. Second one, hydrosphere. 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 Then leave one line. Third one, biosphere. 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 Leave one line. Fourth one, plateaus. 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 Then leave one line. Fifth one, desert. 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 Have you written, children? First one, atmosphere. Then second one, hydrosphere. Third one, biosphere. Fourth one, plateaus. Fifth one, desert. All of you read, children. Atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, plateaus, desert. Can you read now? Okay, all of you read. Very good. Then leave one line. Write jumble letters. Jumble letters. Write neatly, children. First one, TAIN SMOUN. TAIN SMOUN. Mountain. Put small dash. Write the answer, mountain. MOUNTAINS. 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 Then leave one line and write second one. TLEMAN. TLEMAN. Put on small dash. Write the answer, mantle. 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 Then leave one line. Write third one. RUSTC. RUSTC. Put on small dash. Write the answer, crust. 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 Leave one line. Write fourth one. MALA. MALAYASHI. Put on small dash. Write the answer, Himalayas. 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 Then fifth one. SPHERELITHO. SPHERELITHO. H-E-R-E-L-I-T-H-O. Put on small dash. Write the answer, lithosphere. L-I-T-H-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Lithosphere. L-I-T-H-O-S-P-H-E-R-E. Lithosphere. Have you written, children? So first one, mountain. Next, mantle. Third one, crust. Fourth one, Himalayas. Fifth one, lithosphere. Can you read, children? Read all of you. Mountain, mantle, crust, Himalayas, lithosphere. Okay, very good. Have you finished, children? Have you finished classwork? Okay, now all of you take homework notes and write the homework. In the homework note also you take new page and write the date and day and write the lesson name. Lesson 7, Domains and Landforms of the Earth. Domains and Landforms of the Earth. Have you completed, children? Have you finished lesson name? Okay, then leave one line and write find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Find and write fill-ups. Have you written, children? Then the first fill-up, leave one line and write neatly. First fill-up, there are dash domains of the earth. There are dash domains of the earth. There are dash domains of the earth. Finished? Put full stop and then leave one line and write second one. The layer of air gases is called dash. The layer of air gases is called dash. The layer of air gases is called dash. Finished? Put full stop. Leave one line and write third one. Dash provides nutrients for land organism. Dash provides nutrients for land organism. Dash provides nutrients for land organism. Have you finished, children? Put full stop. Leave one line and write fourth one. The earth surface, the earth structure consists of dash parts. The earth structure consists of dash parts. The earth structure consists of dash parts. Have you written, children? Have you written 4 fill-ups? Okay, these 4 fill-ups, the answers is in your book. Okay, so all of you find the answer from the book, page number 41 and 42. Okay, you have to read the book and write the correct answer. Okay, children, page number 41 and 42. You have to read the book and write the correct answer. Don't ask anything to others. Okay, you have to find the answers from the book and write correctly. Okay, children? Okay. Have you written homework, children? Have you written? Okay. So now all of you take page number 38. Take your book, page number 38. Already in the previous class I gave homework, page number 38 and 39. Yes? Have you completed, children? Have you done your homework? Okay, very good. So now once check that all the answers. If you write wrongly, you have to correct it. Okay, children? So all of you take page number 38. Take your book, page number 38. Have you taken? Okay, there is question round. Yes? Question round is there? Page number 38? Yes. Is there fill up? Yes, fill in the blanks. So, the earth experience equal day and night is the position called equinox. So the first answer, equinox. Earth experience equal day and night is the position called equinox. Okay, then second, the revolution of earth has a change of seasons. Okay, so the answer, revolution. Then third one, on 22nd December, earth experience winter solstice. Okay, the answer is winter solstice. Have you written correctly, children? Okay, then fourth one, on 21st June, earth experience summer solstice. On 21st June, earth experience summer solstice. The answer is summer solstice. Then fifth one, earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. Then sixth one, the earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Okay, the answer is 365. Okay, have you finished, children? Then match the following. The earth answer is blue planet. Option E. Earth, blue planet. Then second, axis deltoid. Axis deltoid. Option D. Then third one, winter solstice. Winter solstice, A. Autumn equinox, B. Fourth one, B. Then fifth one, rotation 24 hours. Rotation 24 hours. Okay, have you completed, children? Next, name the following. The first one, the movement of earth which has a season. The answer is revolution. Also write the answers in the blank. Okay, the movement of earth which causes seasons, revolution. Then second one, the imaginary line along which earth rotates. Axis, the imaginary line along which earth rotates. The answer is axis. Then third one, the part of earth which has summer during the winter solstice. Southern hemisphere. The answer is southern hemisphere. The part of earth which has summer during the winter solstice. Southern hemisphere. Then fourth one, the imaginary path along which earth revolves around the sun. Orbit. Answer is orbit. Then fifth one, the year in which February has 29 days. Leap year. Okay, the year in which February has 29 days. Leap year. The answer is leap year. Then sixth one, the path on which earth moves around the sun. Orbit. The answer is orbit. So the first one, revolution. Second one, axis. So the third one, southern hemisphere. Fourth one, orbit. Fifth one, leap year. And sixth one also orbit. Okay, have you written correctly, children? Have you completed homework? Okay, if you write wrongly, you have to check it. Okay, if you write wrong, you have to correct now. Okay, children? Then we will see our next video. Okay, bye.